Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we got a package here that I cannot show you guys because there's an address there, and we're gonna open it up. Let's see what's inside this thing. Alright, now we got this honeycomb. Oh, we can look at the peak of what's inside there. So let's just open up this honeycomb type of packaging. That's quite pointy, to be honest. It's pretty unique packaging, I have to say that. Alright, give credits to the seller. Alright, there it is. Ooh, iPhone 6s. Oh my. Alright, so inside this packaging, while I try to sanitize the box, in these times, is an iPhone 6s. Oh, definitely a made up box, iPhone 6s. Running iOS 9. Yes, if this box is kinda made up, this thing is actually running iOS 9. So let me sanitize it more, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's open up this box, which is not even fully closed yet. Let's open it up. Ooh, okay. So we got another bubble wrap here, pretty good to the seller. Now it seems like a black iPhone, not really. This is a rose gold iPhone. So let's remove this case. I don't like this case. You can see there. Rose gold. This guy puts a anti-spy screen protector. I'm gonna remove it later on. There's that. The phone. There's some dents on it. It's not the best looking if it is iOS 9. Not the best looking. Let's see what's inside here. Designed by Apple. We got a fakey, crappy gold tip. What is this called? DLD, whatever it is. Not gonna use that. Fakey earbuds and, yep, judging by the sound, a fakey power brick. Let's sanitize the phone again here because you know what in these times. Alright, I'm gonna remove this focus. I'm gonna remove this spy tempered glass because I don't like it. It's just gonna obstruct the screen. Boom, look at that. Look at the difference, alright? So, judging from the screen, looks like there's no scratches, only this little dents on the top here, on the bottom here. The camera can't focus. No 20, can you focus? No, so far so good. I mean, there's some marks here, I don't know why. I'm making able to clean it up. There's some dents near the camera. Definitely this phone has seen better days, to be honest. Also, this phone has got new battery. Don't know if it's a real battery or a fakey battery, but it is what it is. You can see the dent right there. Okay, let's turn this phone on. iOS 9 point something, 3, 2, 1. Bam, look at that. Also, let's look how fast it is booting up on its original OS. If you guys have a 6S on iOS 14, you guys can compare it, with this iOS 9 6S. Ooh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. iOS 9. Why this display seems... Wait. I thought the display it's like shaking and all that, but it's not. Alright, so let's open it up. Okay, we got a passcode. That's the thing, the passcode is this. The seller tells me that. And yes, ooh, look at that, my friends. Looks like it's an original display. I mean, let me see from here. Yeah, it looks like it because some of these phones got crappy displays and all that. Check 3D touch. Ooh, 3D touch is still good. Look at that. Let's go to settings for a check here. General, about. There we go, 9.3.2. Whoa, the camera doesn't like that. As you can see, iPhone 6s. We got the night shift toggle right there, and 3D touch. And yes, let's check now if everything is working. Allow. Let's go to camera. Hey, allow. Let's go to video to test everything out. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, of the iOS 9 iPhone 6s. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, of the iOS 9 iPhone 6s. Alright, sounds pretty good. Home button works well. Touch ID is also working pretty well. And yeah. So guys, let me open up the phone. Let me open up the phone again, man. Alright. So guys, that is the quick unboxing of my new purchase on iOS 9 iPhone 6s on its original OS. Considering the iPhone 6s is about to get unsupported on iOS 14, maybe 14.5, maybe. It's a good time to check out an iPhone 6s on its original OS. Look at that, the old 3D touch, unlike the haptic touch on iOS 13 and 14. Alright, everything is working. Let's try again here. Flashlight, everything is working pretty well. Alright, so I'm gonna do some further testing, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.